burger. Of course, sure. Today, I'll show you exactly step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
Every great cake begins with the finest ingredients. Here, flour, sugar. Before production begins, every ingredient is carefully inspected. Advanced scanners and trained technicians ensure precision is everything in baking. Automated dispensers measure every ingredient with perfect accuracy. Liquid ingredients are stored in giant temperature-controlled tanks. From here, precise amounts flow through stainless pipelines directly into the mixing systems. With ingredients measured and prepared, everything moves toward the heart of the factory, the powerful mixing machines, where cake batter begins to take shape. Every delicious cake begins with carefully selected ingredients. Here, flour, sugar, milk, eggs. Before making any cake, every ingredient must pass strict quality checks. Advanced scanners and technicians ensure precision is essential when producing millions of cakes. Automated dispensers measure each ingredient perfectly. These giant tanks store the liquid ingredients that give cake batter its rich and smooth texture. Controlled pipelines Now that the ingredients for the cake are perfectly measured and prepared, everything moves toward the powerful mixers, where smooth cake batter will be created. Inside these giant mixers, ingredients transform into smooth cake batter. Powerful paddles blend
Engineers monitor every step of the cake batter mixing process. Advanced sensors measure temperature, speed, and ingredients.
Once the cake batter reaches the ideal consistency, it flows through sealed pipelines, traveling toward automated filling machines.
Maintaining the perfect batter texture is essential. Temperature and flow sensors carefully adjust the cake batter so
Now the smooth cake batter is poured into molds with incredible precision. Each tray is perfectly filled. The freshly mixed cake batter is carefully poured into baking molds. Precision filling ensures every cake has Inside these powerful ovens, the cake batter rises and transforms. Carefully controlled heat turns Moments later, thousands of freshly baked cakes emerge from the ovens. Their golden tops and soft texture
Once the cakes are packaged, automated sealing machines carefully close each cake box, protecting the cakes while preparing them for storage and delivery. Finally, robotic systems stack the packaged cakes onto pallets. These pallets are now ready to be transported to warehouses and stores around the world.
Before leaving the factory, every cake is carefully inspected. Quality checks ensure each cake meets strict standards for taste, safety, and presentation.
After inspection, thousands of cakes are packed into shipping pallets. From here, they begin their journey to bakeries, supermarkets, and stores around the world.
And that's how millions of delicious cakes are made every single day. Using advanced machines, skilled workers.
This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.